I'm working the veneer and bandings on the drawer for the dressing glass. This is the middle drawer. And yesterday I put a piece of mahogany veneer on the front here, this rectangle. And then I added the cross-banded satin wood on the border. Now, but then today I had to create the groove, or the dado, or whatever it is, cut out of this banding a little edge, a little socket here, so that I can put this black stringing around the border. So that, creating this little shelf in here, 16th by 16th, was a little tedious, but it worked. Now I want to glue in this little end piece here. I need to make a miter joint. Right there, about right there. And the way I'm going to do that is just chop it. And I'm pretty close to 45, I think. 45 degrees. Let's see if that fits in here. No, I gotta cut a little more off of that. Just a little bit more off of that. These drawers on this dressing glass have been quite difficult because of all the shaping, the dovetail connections in there. That looks good, so I'm gonna get some hot glue on that. And I'm going to just spread it on here as well. Oops, it's got to turn like that. I want that to close off at the miter, and it is closed off. And all I'm going to do is just apply some pressure here just for a few seconds while that hot glue is going to grab. It's already grabbed. That's the great thing about this glue, is that it tacks up quick. And, well, sometimes you don't want that to happen, but in veneering and this kind of a application, the hot glue is just perfect. I have to leave it overnight before I can clean up this mess, mostly with scraper blades. Okay, now I've got a long one that I have to do up here, and then another end one, And this tedious job is done.